Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to review the VTech DS6361. This phone also comes with the Bluetooth function, which you can connect your mobile phone or your Bluetooth headset to it. So first, this is the look of the phone system here. It's really similar to the Uniden DECT660. It's not the exact thing, just reminds me, kind of similar, because of the charger design, as you can see here. If we go to the Uniden DECT660, here's the same design that we got. And yeah, basically these buttons remind me of the Uniden DECT660 too, but it's not Uniden. Okay, let's see the features in the handset. First, let's look at the handset. So it has this kind of interesting grip to it, this interesting look. It has VTech engraved there and uses DECT 6.0. And it's kind of interesting. It's kind of one of those modern VTech phones. And also the charging light is kind of disappeared here. You can see it here, but they managed to disappear it when it's not on. So when I put the phone in charge, it turns on. When it's not in charge, it just disappears. There is no visible hole for the charging light, as you can see here. Or in this phone, there's a visible charging light, but in this one there's none, which I kind of like that. They kind of made this phone with great quality, and they kind of made it the best phone that I've ever seen from VTech. And it has dot matrix display. Uses the 3-line dotted fonts, as you can see. The font is basically the same with the normal 3-line dotted display, but it's dot matrix. It's interesting, one of the interesting phones in my collection. So there are some signs of wear, as you can see here on the top corner here, and here. But it's kind of new. The batteries are new. I just purchased the battery. I don't know if it's the original battery or not. I just bought it off Amazon. It's made in China, and it uses this weird connector. Let me show it to you. This is the connector. Kind of interesting in my opinion. It's not the one that the VTech DS6114 uses. It's another one. Interesting. Basically, it's the older connectors. It uses the older connector. Same with this one. This one has the same connector as this one. Yeah, as you can see. But this one has a different battery. Okay, so let's go to the menu here. It's kind of the key layout. It's kind of misunderstanding, or not quite the one that I want. Sometimes I press this as menu or select, and it just kicks me out of the menu. So this is a bug of this phone. So here we have answering system, directory, call log, Bluetooth, ringers, settings, and yeah. So let's go to answering system. Play messages, announcements, delete all old messages, record memo, answer on or off, answering system setup. So we have no messages, but if you want to hear the voice,
you have no message.
If you want to hear the announcements,
to play, press 2. To record, press 7. Leave a message after the tone.
Yes, I've recorded one myself. Later off, I will delete the announcement so you can hear the original one. And delete all old. Yeah, we had no message. Record memo. Sure.
Record after the tone. Press 5 when you are done.
This phone is one of the interesting phones from VTech.
Recorded.
And answer on or off. We will turn the answer on. The light just turned on. And the answering system setup, call screening is on. And number of rings. Doesn't have a lot of options. Remote code 19 as usual. Message alert tone. And voice language, as you can see, message alert tone is on. And voice language is between English and French. And yeah, that's it. So in directory I cannot show you. Call log can't show you. In Bluetooth we have download directory, add cellular, add headset, active devices. So my phone is connected right there. Let me see. Yeah, these are the functions. The ringers are really interesting. And also yeah, let's listen to the message before the beep annoys us.
You have one new message. Friday, 10:16 a.m.
This phone is one of the interesting phones from VTech. Yeah, okay, the recording quality is fine. The ringers, the volume is interesting, has options for all the lines. I'm just going to test the all home and stuff. So the interesting thing is that when you put the volume all up, the speaker gets distorted and the tone kind of changes, as you can see. It's interesting. I'm just going to use that for now. Let's listen to the ringer tones. So these 9 and 10 ringer tones, I've never heard them. I think they're really interesting. And between 9 and 10, 10 is my favorite. So let's listen to the ringers again, but with a normal volume so you can hear it. Interesting. So in settings, we have LCD language, which can be changed to 3 languages, French and Spanish and English, and clear voicemail if we add any voicemails, key tone, date and time, dial mode, which can be changed to tone or pulse, and that's it for the settings. Alright, let's give this phone a call. Let me just get the line set up here. It takes a little amount of time. Okay, let's call it. as you can see here, we have a flashy green home light here. So, I've answered the call. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Is the voice coming? Is the voice coming? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is the voice coming? I think, yeah, it works. Now let's go to speaker. I will mute the microphone. So it works fine. Now it's time for the transmitting test. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing. Is the voice coming? Yeah, I think it's coming. And the transmitting speaker test. Let me testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works fine. Although I think maybe it's because of the handset volume. But the microphone it's not strong enough, I think. It could have place to be stronger than this. Alright, that's it for the test call. Now let's do an outside number and then we will record a message on this phone. We will call it again.
M&T Bank thanks you for your call. Good afternoon. Today is Friday, May 19th. 1:25. Current temperature 63 degrees. Mostly sunny today, highs upper 60s. Mostly cloudy tonight, slight chance of a shower, lows mid-50s. Rain likely on Saturday, highs mid-60s. The weather phone is another community service of M&T Bank, member FDIC and equal housing lender.
Alright, now let's do the earpiece test. Also, a great thing is that it shows you the number when you're dialing in a bold font, so it's easier for you to read. That's great. So, earpiece test.
Greetings from Jones Family Farms and Winery. This is our crop report message providing information as to what is currently occurring at the farm. Well, with the lengthening daylight hours and warming temperatures, we look forward.
I think it's kind of strong. Works great. Also, before anything else, let's test the paging. Yeah, so it pages fine. Okay, let's ring this up. Hi, this is testing message. Let's see who's over there. Okay, now let's change the announcement as I promised. So you can hear the main announcement.
To play, press announcement deleted. Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Yeah, so this is the usual announcement that we have on all VTech phones. Okay, let's play the message.
You have 1 new message and 1 old message. Friday, 10:26 a.m.
Hi, this is testing message. Let's see who's over there. So it works fine.
Message deleted. End of. To delete all old messages, press delete again. All old messages deleted.
Great. So also an interesting thing is that you can control the bass volume from the bass. yeah, basically with every phone you can. I think was mistaking this with the VTech LS. I forgot the model number. Yeah, I was mistaking this with that phone, and I thought the base linger was into a setting designed for the base. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a nice day.